In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate spam messages on Fiverr. If you've ever spotted a suspicious offer or an odd link in your inbox, this quick walkthrough will help you find where Fiverr stores those messages so you can review them safely and keep your account clean. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. Make sure you click the official Fiverr website in the results. You can spot it by checking the domain name so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once the home page loads and you're logged in, you're ready to access your messages. Look toward the top of the page for the envelope icon. That's the shortcut to your messages. Click the envelope to open a preview of your recent conversations. On that small panel, there's an option labeled See All in Inbox. Select that to go to the full inbox view, which gives you more filters and better control over what you're seeing. On the left side of the inbox, you'll see a section where you can switch between different message categories. Find the option that shows your current view, usually labeled All Messages. Click it to open the filter menu. This menu lets you jump between various folders so you can focus on the messages you actually need to see. From the filter list, choose Spam. Fiverr automatically routes messages that look suspicious or violate its guidelines into this folder. When you click Spam, the main panel will refresh and display everything the system has flagged. Take a moment to scroll through. You'll be able to recognize common patterns like unsolicited offers, external links, or requests that break Fiverr's terms of service. A few quick tips while you review. Avoid clicking unknown links. Don't download attachments from untrusted senders, and never share personal or payment information in messages. If you notice a legitimate message that was filtered by mistake, you can handle it according to Fiverr's available options in your account. Likewise, if something clearly violates the rules, keep an eye out for the built-in tools Fiverr provides to help you stay safe. Layouts can change slightly over time, so if your screen looks a bit different, the envelope icon, the See All in Inbox button, and the spam filter will still be your key landmarks. That's it. You searched for Fiverr, opened the site, clicked the envelope icon, went to See All in Inbox, opened the filter menu from All Messages, and switched to Spam to view everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and keep your inbox secure.